So hi, we are almost done with data structures, but still I was going to 2020 paper. I found out this question. This is actually a question on pointer, which is very interesting question. It may look tough, but it is not. It is an interesting question. That's why I have taken this question. So let's see the question here. It was asked in 2020. GATE 2020. Okay. So int men, int a45. So this is the two-dimensional arrow. Sorry, not arrow, array. My brain is not working properly. A45. So 4 rows, 5 columns. So the values are also given. Okay, so these are the rows and these are columns. So these are all the values given. So they are only asking just a single line printf they have given. Don't get confused by this. I will do step by step how it is evaluated. Printf's percentile d and %n star a it's plus 2 plus 3. So we see this is only given, this is not given. Okay, so I have drawn this just to save time in video, that video doesn't get too long. So this is basically nothing. Okay, so this the values given 1 2 3 4 5. So basically this is 2D array. So I just added a simple thing, that is the address. So it will help in solving our question. So this is the values are given. I have taken a 2D array which is also given and just added the addresses. So now let's see the question. So now just start with the basics. A means it is pointing here. Okay, so now star a here. Star a means we are going inside our array. Star a. Then again star a. Star a means here star a. I have already told you, if you are standing outside an array, you get a star, you go inside the array. So here, since it is 2D array, star a is used. So, and now plus 2 means star a plus 2. I am evaluating this first. Okay, star a plus 2 means 1 2. So we are pointing here 3. So this is just nothing but replacement of 3. So now our question was this: a plus star a plus 2. We are evaluating this first. So this is basically nothing. 3 is added, 1 2 3. So 3. So this is basically this. Okay, we are pointing, how I am telling you again. So star a, we are going inside the 2D array, plus 2 means 1 2. So 3. This is just, imagine like this, this is basically replaced by 3. So a plus 3 means what? A was pointing here, plus 3 1 2 3. So this whole thing is pointing here, this part. So now we apply, it was pointing here, we are applying star. So we go from here to inside. Now plus 3 means 1 2 3. So here we are standing outside, we are standing here. Okay, so now again star is applied. So now we are going inside, we are fetching the value 19. So 19 is answer. I will tell you again. So a was pointing first outside, then star a means we are going inside the 1D array, then again star. Since it is 2D array, 2 stars are needed. So 1, we are pointing 1, value 1, not 1000, value 1. So now we are adding plus 2, 1 2. So now our whole this thing has been like, mentally think like this, it is replaced by 3. So now a plus 3, just a plus 3, 1 2 3. This here is like a plus star 2, a plus 2. This is basically pointing here. Now then star, we are going inside this, we are going inside here, and then plus 3 1 2 3, we are standing outside. Plus 3, we are standing outside. Then again star, means we are going inside and fetching the value. We are told printf means we have to print the value 19 and return nothing. So this is an interesting question. If I in this way, if I find interesting question, I will keep on adding in this playlist, and for now I will move on to algorithms now. Okay, so bye.